February 10th, 2021. I'm on top of Akins Mountain, and I can't even make a joke about it being colder up here than down below because it's just so nice today, y'all. We had Ryan from Southern Dance Barbecue come pick up his special, unreal black on black Covert edition, that 2021 Platinum that's been shaking up things online. So check that link out. I'll put a tag up top for that. He brought the good weather with him, I think. It's the nicest day we've had all of this year. It's about 70 degrees today. So I hope everyone's doing great wherever you're at. It's a beautiful day here. Today we're talking Covert action on a 21 Gladiator. We've got a Apex edition and a Covert 250 ready to dive in on this bad boy behind us. If y'all are ready, I'm ready. I want to go throw some baseball or do something outside today. Honestly, it is so daggum nice, but if we can't do that, let's review. So honestly, y'all, I'm doing a little bit different type of review on this beautiful truck today, essentially because our Ram attention is just not there like our Ford attention is. So we're up on Akins Mountain, we're flexed, leveled on 35s with our Covert edition Gladiator, and I want to just go over it with you today. This is a 80th anniversary edition Gladiator. It's just a sport essentially with some few appearance and highlights to just make it more unique. We did a Daystar 1.5 inch level kit just on the front alone, and then we had some Fox Rubicon factory shocks front and rear that we added and incorporated to get that articulation and capability more to spec for the added height that we did. So we like to be as legit as possible on all accounts, and that enabled us to run with no problem 35, 12.5, 17 Toyota Open Country MT, that bad boy tire. That's so gnarly on all accounts, and to be so aggressive, it rides pretty daggum good on the road, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, this tire is one I'm currently running on my truck, and I love it. It's a great tire. Very rugged, rigid, holds up very well. Fuel Zephyr is our wheel choice, 17x9. We're -12 on our offset, so our mile to wild scale, we're about perfect in my opinion on a Jeep. I love that -10 to 13 range offset wise on a Jeep, and just a very fitting stance as a whole, especially on a Gladiator. Just a very proportional for this wheel and tire combo size. We got Infab RS steps. It's kind of very similar to the Podium. It's just the actual step pad is slightly different, and your tube style is also slightly modified. I like this. It's a little cleaner look. Did Lumar window tint, the black on black, y'all. I know you gotta like the black on black. It looks so good to me. Lumar tint on the inside. We did custom leather. It's a sport package, so it would have cloth, and doing the custom leather just makes the interior pop so nicely. It flows nicely with your stitch color with your steering wheel also. While we've got the window sticker here, 47,180. If you want to pause it to see the options this vehicle has. And then over here are add-ons from Wild Willies Custom Accessories. You see the level kit, the wheel and tire combo, spline key with lock and lug nuts, because we like to be safe for our customers. The Infab step bars, Akins liner, Lumar tint. This is the new, let's talk about this. I mean, it's just a floor mat, y'all, but this is the new style WeatherTech floor mat. It just seems to fit nicer and just look a little bit cleaner. Black leather and the Super Chip Speedo cowl to make sure we're legit and legal. That is $87.29, so $55,909. Currently with $3,000 off, so a great package. Looks so much better than the factory one, y'all. You know, I just think the Gladiators need a lot of love. The stock Gladiator, except for like a Mojave or Rubicon, just needs some help to get that truck inspired look to it. So we like to do things like level kits and 35s galore. So that's clean. And then we've got a Mojave here. We didn't do anything to it except did bumper and winch. So that's a good looking package there as well. So the black on black to me just looks so nice. And here's a good look at that stance from the rear. I'll give you guys a good side shot. It's essentially, this is our Covert, y'all, because you know, you from first glance, you just know it's different, but it just kind of makes you look again. It's not nothing too overdone, just a basic, clean, simple build. But I mean, to me, a lot of times simple and clean is better than extensive and you know, huge detailed build items. So I really like the way this one looks. I want to get down off the mountain, get you a good overall side shot, wrap this up. Just a quick covert video for you today. I tell you all the time, you should be here, and today's definitely that day. Weather has been phenomenal today. Just a pretty, I'm gonna call it spring. It's still winter, but I'm gonna call it just a pretty spring day. And this is that money shot right here. This angle with the vehicle right here, the sun's right behind it. So if I take a step or two back, it'll blind you. There's the sun, but just a great overall shot right here to show you our covert. Let me get you a little side shot. The sun's gonna mess with it when I go here, I know, but kind of a good proportion look on leveled on 35s, black on black. Behind it, that Wrangler there, our Apex, has a 2-inch suspension lift with 35s as well. So we've got covert, more basic streamline. We've got a 2-inch Apex, which is slightly more elevated, but both nonetheless are very comparable vehicles in totality. I love the billet silver. I love the black on black. Both work very nicely, and both are available sitting high atop Akins Mountain. Again, on a beautiful day. Thank you guys again for spending your time to watch our videos, listen to me and my country slang, tell you guys all about our cool custom vehicles we've got. I've got some more that are coming later this afternoon, so stay tuned for that, and hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what you want to see us do more of, because we've got a lot on the plate to be built this year, and a lot of customer vehicles that are coming to you too. So if you want to have any suggestions, please let us know. We're always open to pushing that envelope of next level builds, anything auto. Akins Ford, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Winder, Georgia.